Hi friends, my name is Diksha Madlani. Welcome back to another segment of my YouTube channel. Actually today I am alone at home. My husband has gone to job and my mother-in-law has gone to congregation. Congregation means सत्संग. तो मेरे पति जॉब पर गए हैं और मेरी सासू माँ सत्संग गई है. इसलिए आज मैं मेरी सासू माँ के बेडरूम में वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. Nobody at home, that is why I am recording this video in my mother-in-law's bedroom. Before I used to record video in the kitchen, but today I thought why I should not record video in this room. Okay, so let's get into the video. So today I am going to talk about a word substitute. Now, what is the meaning of substitute? Substitute means someone or something that you use instead of someone or something else. And you can say substitute means when you use a word to replace another word. सब्स्टिट्यूट कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जब आप किसी शब्द का उपयोग किसी दूसरे शब्द के स्थान पर करते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपको इंग्लिश बोलते समय एकदम से कोई शब्द याद नहीं आ रहा है तो उसी शब्द को पकड़ के नहीं बैठना है, उसी शब्द को सोचते नहीं रहना है. आप उसकी जगह पे कोई दूसरा शब्द यूज कर सकते हैं जो कि सेम मीनिंग देता हो. ओके, इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश एंड यू कैन नॉट यूज राइट वर्ड, देन यू कैन यूज दैट वर्ड्स सब्स्टिट्यूट. डोंट सिट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड which you cannot remember. Okay, and don't think like what to say. Don't do like this. You can use substitute of that particular word. Okay, and if you will do like this, then your English will be seems like fluent and you will not get stuck while English speaking. So don't sit on that particular word which you want to use in that particular sentence. What you can do, you can replace that word to another word. You can use that word's substitute. Okay, if you will use substitute, it will help you a lot to speaking with fluency and you will not get stuck while English speaking. If you will speak with someone and if you will speak in public, but at that time you will, if you will unable to remember a right particular word, then what you will do, you will use that word's substitute and the other person will think your English vocabulary is very good, your English is very good, you don't stuck while English speaking, right? So it will impact excellently. So you can use substitute to replace another word. For example, if you are going to make any sweet recipe or a dessert, then what will you do. You have all ingredients for that recipe, but if you don't have sugar, then what you can do? You can use jaggery on the place of sugar. You can replace sugar by jaggery. What is the meaning of jaggery? Jaggery means गुड़. आप शक्कर की जगह पे गुड़ यूज कर सकते हो उस रेसिपी को बनाने के लिए, राइट? लाइक इफ यू वांट टू से शी इज प्रिटी, देन what you can use on the place of pretty? You can say she is gorgeous, she is beautiful, she is attractive. Okay, you can replace pretty word to use gorgeous, attractive, beautiful. You can use those words. I hope you are getting my point, what I am trying to say. And I want to give another example. If you want to say you are doing very good job, then what you can replace the word very good? You can say you are doing great job, you are doing fabulous work, you are doing fabulous job, you are doing outstanding job. So in this way you can replace the word very good, and you can use substitute. Okay, I hope you understood. So use this in your English speaking. If you will do like this, then your English will improve as well as your vocabulary will enhance. Okay, and you will not get stuck, you will not feel nervous while English speaking. So you can use substitute in this way. So I think this is enough for today. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, so subscribe it. And if you like this video, then press the like button and surely press bell icon. Please press the bell icon so that you will get more videos about English learning. Okay, so keep learning, take care of yourself, be happy, bye bye.